Hello, beautiful people. I don't know if you can hear me or if this has even started, but it's Kathy here, and I'm in beautiful Puerto Rico, San Juan, Puerto Rico, oceanside, and it's absolutely beautiful. I can't see a thing on here, but I'm sitting here doing a little mini sand scrub. This is about my third one today. I've been digging my heels in, getting the goodness on my feet. My goodness, it's getting all the calluses off. It's wonderful. Oh, and there's Shalou. She's gone in for like the fourth time today. We're just sitting here contemplating everything, and it's absolutely gorgeous. What a glorious day today. Getting our vitamin D for sure, magnesium from this salt scrub, calcium, and not to mention the beautiful iodine here from the sea. I'll turn this around. This is so bright, I don't even know if you can see. Yeah, here we go. So anyway, just wanted to pop on and say hello. No, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you very much. Just having a glorious day here at the beach and enjoying all nature has to give us, all what God's glorious creation. I just wanted to share a little story with everybody that I went out to, I don't even know if you can see the buoys, the boundaries in the water here, that there's buoys out there that I didn't make it out there the first time we were out there on Friday. I made it to the third, I had marked it for the third buoy to go out to, but the boundary out there, I thought, oh no, maybe before we go. I didn't know I was setting limits for myself, but no more. So I get out there today, we're talking, Shalou and I are talking as we're swimming, and not even realizing, hey, I'm all the way out there at the buoys. So as I realized this, I also realized my subconscious kicking in, thinking, okay, the waves are coming this way, it should be an easy sail back to shore. Okay. Didn't happen so quickly as I thought it would. And then the FEAR was setting in unbeknownst to me. And I just calmed myself down and I said, you know what? What am I worried about? There is nothing to fear. And I did my deep breathing and I said, oh, changed my position, started doing different strokes, and before I knew it, I was back. But I felt that heaviness in my chest, and it was all based on something I made up in my subconscious. So, no more. I made it, and I will be doing that again. I'll be going out and joining Shalou momentarily. I just wanted to pop on here and say that. As you work through things, and all these teachings that we are getting, things are coming to light. Things are to the surface, and you start calming yourself down. Nothing is impossible. If you have goals out there, don't let anything stand in your way. If you have issues in your tissues, just know they can be worked on. Nothing is impossible if you set your mind to it, because it's all a matter of getting over those obstacles. And there's really no obstacles except for what you set for yourself. That's basically all I wanted to come on and say. Hope everybody's enjoying this glorious day. We are here. And make every day your most beautiful day ever, because it actually is God-given, and whatever you want to achieve, you can. I just see, look at this, these seagulls. I don't know if I've seen this around. They're actually helping themselves to our beautiful macadamia nuts and whatnot. Away, away. We'll share later. Anyway, everybody, have a glorious day, and we will catch you later. I can't even see the screen here to end this, so let's see if I can see this. Thank you very much, everybody. Enjoy this glorious day. Never mind me. I'm just trying to see if I can stop this today. Oh my goodness. Bye, everybody. Have a beautiful day.